Hey folks, the Sonos Roam 2 portable speaker was just released, but how does it stack up against the Sonos Move 2? 3 years after its release, Sonos's original Roam speaker, which is still among our top Bluetooth speakers, was replaced by the Roam 2. How does the most recent Roam compare to Sonos's larger Move 2 portable speaker? We've already compared it to the original Roam. Continue to watch to find out. Although the Sonos Roam 2 and the Sonos Move 2 are both portable speakers, the Roam 2 is even easier to carry about with its much lower weight. The Move 2 weighs 3 kilos and the Roam 2 weighs 0.43 kilos. Moreover, the speaker is smaller than the Move 2, measuring only 168 by 62 by 60 millimeters as opposed to 241 by 160 by 127 millimeters. Because of this, the Roam 2 is more portable and can fit into your bag, while the Move 2 is designed to be carried more easily between your house and yard. For those seeking optimal audio quality, the Sonos Move 2 is the ideal option. The Move 2 boasts dual sound and an extra tweeter, making it Sonos's most powerful portable speaker. We discovered that the Move 2's sound could fill sizable outdoor areas, providing a more expansive soundstage than a mono speaker together with a satisfyingly loud bottom. That being said, the Sonos Roam 2 will still sound fantastic on its own. You'll have to wait till we've finished reviewing the speaker to find out how we felt about its audio performance. With an IP67 rating, the Sonos Roam 2 has the advantage in terms of waterproofing. This indicates that the speaker is impervious to dust and shielded from the damaging effects of brief submersion in water. More precisely, this is valid for up to 30 minutes at 1 meter below the surface. In contrast, the Sonos Move 2 has an IP56 rating. This indicates that while the speaker is resistant to dust and strong water jets, it shouldn't be submerged in water. This summer, the Roam 2 speaker is the safest option for listening by the pool or at the beach thanks to its increased robustness. The Sonos Move 2's 24-hour listening time will impress if battery life is a top concern. This implies that depending on how long your average listening session lasts, you might go days or even weeks without getting charged. In contrast, the Sonos Roam 2 boasts a 10-hour battery life. This ought to be more than sufficient to get you through a day or evening with friends. However, you may need to recharge the speaker in advance of your subsequent get-together. The Sonos Roam 2's affordability is one of its main advantages. At debut, the portable speaker cost £179. That's a lot less than the £449 RRP on the Sonos Move 2, or even the £329 discounted price of the speaker during the sale. That means choosing the smaller Roam 2 can save you anywhere from £270 to £150. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.